Welcome to this month's 60-second quick tip from Pinnacle Performance Company. This month's topic is the power of intention. Intention is the bedrock of the Pinnacle Method. It's an actor's secret weapon, and it's also a communicator's secret weapon. Intention is defined as an aim that guides an action. It's what puts passion and purpose behind your words. It's essential that you identify both your objective and your intention in any given communication. But be clear, they are not the same thing. For example, if you're a software salesman, your objective could be to sell your software, but that can't be your intention. People don't like to feel like they're being sold to and may tune out your message. Instead, if your objective is to sell, your intention may be to excite. If you choose and act upon a strong intention when delivering your message, it will inform your voice and your body language and do your communication work for you. Without a strong intention, you run the risk of your message being muddy or ambiguous. That's all for now. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.